Hi guys! We're here at Central Square Mall at PGC.
First time.
Because we found one. We found an entrepreneur that makes different flavors of hot sauce.
I'm Rainier po.
Yeah, I'm Robert.
We're from the team po. We would like to ask,
Nice to meet you.
when did you start the business?
During the height of the pandemic, July 2020,
Why did you choose this kind of business?
I missed my old friends back in the Middle East. Mga Indians, yung mga roommates ko. And they are the ones who influenced me into spicy things. And then, when I was stuck up here in the Philippines, umuwi ako, I started this.
What are the challenges that you face in the early stages of your business?
Like I said, this during the pandemic, so ang choices lang natin nun is to go sell online. Walang ganitong interactions, wala.
What are the strategies that you can share in dealing with different difficulties in your business?
Distribution, some days are good, some days are bad, pero keep grinding. Yun lang. And masasaan pa ba? The only way is up there.
How do you define success for your business?
I don't know yet. You should ask me that. Kasi, di ba, maraming definition of success. Kasi some people say it's personal growth, some people may say it's financial growth or whatsoever. For me, success is nagagawa mo yung gusto mo talaga. And which is this one. I like doing what I do now. Parang ganun.
How do you manage work-life balance while running a business?
Ito nga. So when I started, nung may work pa ako, sabi ko, para maging flexible yung time, you should have a business. So I quit the job. Pero it turned out, when you have a business, double lang lalo yung time mo. Pero, ito, sobrang worth it. Wala namang, no regrets about it.
What do you think are the characteristics of a good owner?
Siguro, the ability to adapt into everyday challenges. Kasi you never know kung saan pupunta yung business mo. So, the more you adapt to things and challenges, doon ka matututo, doon ka makakasa.
What qualities do you look for when hiring employees?
Mahilig sa mahal. No. You must be really passionate about what you do. And siyempre, kailangan kung papabayaan yung empleyado mo. So, we treat everybody as our family. So, we don't run away.
Yeah, this is Alan.
Hi.
What has been the most challenging aspect of running a business and how did you overcome it?
Ayun, katulad yan, yung during the pandemic na ang option lang natin is to sell it online. Pero we made out of the pandemic, di ba? We survived and then here we are now. So at least nakakalabas-labas na tayo. So,
Have you experienced any significant failures or setbacks? And what did you learn from it?
yes, kasi when we started, I used to buy chilies and lagi ako nasisiraan ng chili because of the logistic problems during the pandemic. Ang hirap magbiyahe. May problema tayo sa transport nun, maraming permits, maraming gano'n. So, we overcome naman and we made a way na mapabilis lahat.
How do you stay resilient and motivated during tough times?
Titingin ka na sa asawa mo and then kailangan mo lumanda. Okay, so, ganyan yun. You know the feeling pag meron ka ng asawa. Doon ka may inspire. Ganyan ka. Kahit pagod.
What are your short-term and long-term goals for your business?
Siguro just to be relevant lang sa market. I don't expect much, pero we'll see. Yeah. Kasi when you assume, sabi nga, you make an ass of you and you assume. Do not assume. Yeah.
Last question, sir. What would you recommend to anyone who wish to open their own business?
Think twice or pag-isipan ng mas maraming beses. Kasi hindi birong maglabas ng pera, hindi birong sumugal. Business is a God. So, you should love what you do. Mataas ang chance ang hindi mag-succeed. Kasi you're not into it talaga. So, kailangan you have, kailangan dedication.
Ano yan po?
I'm Robert. I'm gonna give you my card.
Oh,